Over the last 50 years, the Kawasaki KX brand of motorcycles has helped pave the path to championships for some of the most popular motocross racers of all time. Today, the KX family remains one of the most dominant motocross and supercross brand of motorcycles available, with the all-new KX450 once again raising the bar. With development cues taken from the Monster Energy Kawasaki factory racing team, the all-new 2024 KX450 is one of the strongest and race-ready machines on the dirt. To commemorate the celebration and success of 50 years of the KX brand, Kawasaki announces the release of 50th Anniversary Edition motorcycles, equipped with a limited retro-inspired KX shroud graphic, a uni-track swing-arm graphic, blue seat, silver wheels and white fork guards. All new 2024 Kawasaki KX450 highlights: new engine tuning, new cylinder head, new straight exhaust port and center exhaust, new smartphone connectivity via Radiology the app, new handlebar mounted traction control switch, new Brembo brake system, new lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, new ODI lock-on grips, new easy to remove side cover, new slim ergonomic bodywork, new Kawasaki traction control and riding modes. Engine: 449cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder, SOHC. 44mm Cayenne throttle body. 96.0 by 62.1mm bore and stroke. 5-speed gearbox. Chassis: aluminum perimeter frame. 49mm Showa inverted coil spring fork, compression and rebound damping adjustability. Uni-track shock with preload, low and high-speed compression damping, and rebound adjustability. 270mm front disc with Brembo 2-piston caliper and master cylinder. 240mm rear disc with Nissan caliper. 21 by 19-inch spoke wheels with Dunlop MX-34 tires. Dimension: 85.8 by 32.3 by 50 inches. Wheelbase 58.3 inches. Seat height 37.8 inches. Ground clearance 13.6 inches. Weight 238.3 pounds. Fuel tank 1.64 gallons.